And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll say clear, I'll state my case for which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full. I've traveled heaps and every highway and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too good to mention. I did what I had to do, and so it through without exemption. I planned its charted course, each careful step along the highway, and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Yes, there were times I'm sure when I became more than I could show. But went on when there was gone. I held it up and speed it on. I faced it cold and I stood tall and did it my way. I've laughed and cried, I've had my fill, my share of losing, and now as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in shy way. Oh no, not me. I did it my way. For what is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he has not. For say the face, he's not a face, and not the one else. The record shows I took the blows and they went my way. Yes, it was my